Our topic for today is how to factor quadratic trinomials in the form x squared plus bx plus c. Take note that we have no coefficient for x squared, and the middle term is the coefficient is b for x, and c is the constant. So for example, we have x squared plus 12x plus 20. We have no coefficient for x squared. The middle term is our b, 12, and c is 20. So from this one, notice that we have here plus and a plus. So the factors for this type of trinomial must have x and a plus blank times x plus blank. We are to determine this one and this one using the last term and the coefficient of the middle term. So last term is 20, factor it out, so 20 can have the factors of 5 times 4 equals 20, and if you add 5 and 4, this is equals to 9, which is not equal to the middle term. If you add the factors of 20, that will match with the sum will match to the middle term, that's the right factor for that trinomial. So 5 and 4 are not the right factors for this type of trinomial. Another factor is 1 and 20. 1 times 20 equals 20, positive, all are positive. Then if you add 1 plus 20 is equals to 21, again not equal to the middle term, 12. Then we have this 2 times 10 equals 20. Then if you add this one, we have 2 plus 10 equals 12. So we have now the right combination of factors. So erase all others and concentrate on this factor. So 12 is the middle term, and this 2 here and 10 will have their place as, so the factors for x squared plus 12x plus 20 are the x plus 2 times x plus 10. So that's all are positive. Here we have x squared minus 11x plus 30. We have a plus on the last term, but we have a negative, a minus on the middle term. So since this is the sum of this one is the sum for the factors of 30, so they must be all negative. So our factors must have x minus blank times x minus blank, or all are negative. So negative times negative is positive. So 30 try negative 2 times negative 15 is positive 30. And if you add this one, negative 2 plus negative 15 is negative 17, not equal to 11, negative 11. Then other is negative 6 times negative 5 equals 30, positive 30. And if you add this, negative 6 plus negative 5 is negative 11. So this is the right combination of factors for this trinomial. So erase the others, concentrate on this. So 11 is the middle term, negative 11, and 5 and 6, negative 5 and 6. So our factors for x squared minus 11x plus 30 are x minus 6 times x minus 5. So another example, we have here x squared plus 4x minus 32. We have here a negative on the last term and a positive on the middle term. So we are to look for factors of 32. If you multiply, it will give you a negative 32. And if you add the factors, it will give you 4, positive 4. So the positive must have the higher absolute value. So we have a x plus and x minus, then concentrate on the 32, negative 32, maybe from negative 2 times 16. We have 2 is smaller in absolute value by 16. So negative 2 times 16 is negative 32. And if you add this one, negative 2 plus 16, this is equals to 14, not 4 middle term. So we have here 32 can be from negative 4 times 8 is negative 32. And if you add this one, negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4. So this is the right combination of factors. Erase the others, then concentrate on this one. So 4 is the middle term, and negative 4 and 8 should be the factors that we are looking for. So we have x plus 8 times x minus 4. Another example is x squared minus 6x minus 27. Take note that we have here a minus and a minus, a negative and a negative. So since we have a negative in the last term, the factors must contain one negative and the other is positive. And since we have a negative, this middle term, the one with higher absolute value must be negative, and the one with smaller value must be positive. So we have the most probable factors must be negative 9 times 3 is negative 27. And if you add this one, this is negative 9 plus 3 is equals to negative 6, which is the middle term. So use this one, the middle term is exactly negative 6. And this negative 9 and 3 will be used as the factors. The factors for x squared minus 6x minus 27 are x minus 9 times x plus 3